Hello, I am the Turnip of Terror, about and welcome thee to my hall. Today's quick tip: when you have garments like these berets from Historic Enterprises, they come pierced with holes for running points through, but they're also fairly small, and it's difficult to get the points through. I have found the easiest way, instead of trying to fiddle with the very little to work with end of here, is to find yourself a chopstick. This one's a metal chopstick. It's nice and smooth. Make sure you get one, even if it's made of bamboo, that doesn't have the grippy ridges right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to run the chopstick through that point hole nice and gently to ease that hole open without tearing or messing up the fabric. And then once you've got that hole large enough, you can then run your aglet on through without a whole lot of extra stress, and it goes right on through. So when you get a new garment, I find that you have to do this, and sometimes after washing, you'll have to do this. Also, you'll find that the ends of these don't like to come back through these holes, which is nice so that they don't come running out while you're wearing them. The easiest way I've found to get them off is to just run the tip back through, like so, and then you're able to pull the whole thing through without too much trouble.